Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to verify solutions of systems of linear equations. So if they say that the solution to this system of equations is x equals -1 and y equals 4, we could plug it back into the original equations and check and see if it really does work. For example, 4 parentheses -1, I replace the x with -1, and I replace the y with 4. Does that equal, it's kind of a question, does that equal 8? So -4 times 1, 4 times -1 is -4, 3 times 4 is 12. Does that equal 8? Well, 12 minus 4 is 8, and yes, that does equal 8. So this one's a check mark. Good. So 3 times -1 plus 4, so that would be -3 plus 4. Is that equal to 0? And that is no. And so that one's not. So on our little form, we will circle, no, and then that will be the first letter in our word. And then as we go down, it should spell Yate, which is Navajo for hello. And so if it does, then you can check to make sure you know how to do this. Here's what it should say, Y-A-A-T-E-E-H. If it doesn't say that, then we've got one of them wrong. We need to check there. So, and then on the computer, let's go ahead and do that. So they suggest that x equals 2 and y equals 4 represent a valid solution to the following system of equations. And if it does, we enter 0. If they do not represent a valid solution to the following systems of equations, enter the absolute value of the difference between the value of both sides of the equation that is not satisfied. So let's go ahead and do that. So 2x plus 4y equals 20. So if x is 2, then we have 2 parentheses 2 plus 4 parentheses 4. Does that equal, that's a question, does that equal 20? Well, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, 16 plus 4 does equal 20. So this one would be, we would enter a 0 because it is a solution. Let's do one where it's not a solution. Well, I guess we need to do it for both of them. So let's do, well, 2 times 2 plus 5 times 4, is that equal to 24? So we have a 4 plus 20. Yes, that equals 24. That does equal 24. So this one is a solution. We would enter a 0. But probably the next one will not be. We'll see. Okay. So if x equals 3 and y equals 7, they want us to check those and see if those are valid solutions. Well, let's plug it into this one first. So 2 parentheses 3 plus 4 parentheses 7. Does that equal 26? 6 plus 4 times 7 is 28. That does not equal 26. And the difference is, well, let's find out. This is 34. 28 plus 6 is 34. And compare that to 26. So we say 34 minus 26, the difference is 8. So we will enter an 8 as the difference. We can go ahead and check the other one as well. When it says 3 times x, which is a 2, nope, so 3 plus 4 times y, which is a 7, does that equal 29? And that would be 9 plus 28, and that would be 37, which does not equal 29, and the difference is, that would be, the difference is 8. So it's the same for both of them. The difference is the same, so the difference that we enter is 8.